Today's play day!
Hey everybody! Today we're going to be playing marbles. I wonder what's inside these 6 containers. Let's look inside the first container. A blue marble, my favorite color. Let's look at the next one. A yellow marble, Rubble would love that. And the next one is a red marble, just for Marshall. And then the fourth one is a green marble, just for Rocky. And this one is an orange marble. Zuma would like that one. And the last one is a white marble with rainbow colors. Sky would really love that one. There are 6 marbles. A blue one, a yellow one, a red one, a green one, an orange one, and a rainbow one. All of the pups' favorite colors. I think me and the pups should have a marble race with these marbles. Better go get them. Here comes the pups for our marble race. Rubble, for you, I have a yellow marble. I love it, Chase. Marshall, you have a red marble. Thanks so much, Chase. It's awesome. Rocky, you have a green marble. Thanks, Chase. Green means go. Play marbles. Zuma, you have an orange marble. Orange is my favorite color. Thanks, Chase. Sky, you have a rainbow marble. I love rainbow. Thanks, Chase. Wait, Chase, what about you? I have a blue marble. That's great. Let's start the race. Let's put all the marbles together. We're going to send all the marbles at once, and whichever one loses is out. And it looks like Chase's marble's in the lead, but Rubble's coming up quick. And it looks like Zuma's out. Zuma's out of the race. I'll do the announcing since I'm out. Here we go for our second round. Marshall's in the lead, but Chase is coming up close. And Marshall has won. And it looks like Sky is out. Sky's joining me on the announcing. Here we go again. It looks like Marshall's in lead again. He's still in lead. Chase is coming up. Who will win? And Marshall has won again. And looks like Rocky's out. He's joined the announcing, and here we go again. I got a little bit hung up in the start, but Marshall's taking the lead. Once again on the next one, he's also taking another lead. And he's still in lead. Chase is coming up. And Marshall has won. And he will be going against Chase for the ending. And Rubble is out. Rubble's out, so this is for the win. Chase versus Marshall. Here we go. Chase down first. And it looks like he's in lead. Marshall's taking a slow run there. Chase is still in lead. Marshall's taking a little bit slow on this one. And Chase is still in the lead. And it looks like we have our winner. I think Chase has won the marble race. And here comes Marshall. Congratulations, Chase. You did great. Letting us come have a marble race with you today, Chase. No problem. I love playing games with my friends.